California's cash crop will remain a cash-only industry based on a new state-sponsored report. Now, a private consulting company commissioned by the state finds a public bank for pot would be too risky in California.
CBS 13's Lamore Abrams is live now at a dispensary in Midtown with details on the key findings and what it means for the pot industry. Lamore.
Well, guys, it has been a whole year since California legalized cannabis. Anyone 21 and older can buy this stuff. But dispensaries like this one say they still can't work with banks. They just won't take their cash. So what exactly is the billion-dollar answer to that problem? Well, the state says there just isn't one.
I have 2 armed guards.
Phil Blurton's highly secured marijuana dispensary made big bucks last year, yet he couldn't find a single bank to take any of that money. But he did pay tens of thousands of dollars in city and state taxes.
So they put my money in the bank, but I can't put my money in the bank.
The industry's been pushing for a state-run bank long before California even legalized cannabis.
We've been kicked out of 6 different banks over the last 9 years.
But a new state-sponsored report reinforces what they already knew. It's too financially risky.
When they're looking at risk, they're not primarily going to be concerned about the fact that it's banking in an illegal substance. That's certainly a factor.
The report's author telling the state treasurer that there are other factors involved. First, a bank would be at risk of criminal or civil liability under federal drug and banking laws. Second, the rapidly growing industry is too high risk for banks, even if it were legal. Third, penalties would be too severe. So what's the consulting company's recommended alternative? Perhaps the most popular idea is to set up an exclusive bank to provide services only to the cannabis industry. But even pot advocates have their doubts.
I think there is obviously a lack of experience within the public sector when it comes to banking and financial institutions.
As for the owner of this dispensary, he says he didn't need a report to point out the obvious.
It's getting Congress and the Senate to either deschedule it from a Schedule 1 or perhaps somehow just not schedule it at all.
Tonight, the outgoing state treasurer, John Chiang, is reiterating that sentiment, saying the federal government must remove cannabis from its official list of banned narcotics. Back to you for now.
All right, Lamore Abrams live for us tonight in Midtown Sacramento. Thanks, Lamore.